going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tonight's shaving soap is going to be Groomatorium Chiseled Face, Cedar and Spice. This is a really nice fall scent. Fall is my favorite time of the year. I'm going to leave the scent notes up on the screen right there. Chiseled Face was one of the first artisan soaps that I've ever tried. The first soap I purchased was Ghost Town Barber. That is my favorite scent that Chiseled Face offers. My next favorite scent would be Summer Storm, and Cedar and Spice would be after that. One of the things that I love about Chiseled Face products is that they load in your brush very easy. So if you're new to wet shaving, this soap is really user friendly. And it's not super thirsty, so you don't have to put mounds and mounds of water to get a good thick lather. Add a little bit of water to the soap. Just a little more. A little goes a long way with this product. So the weather is starting to finally cool off here. We've been having days in the 60s. We did have one day get up into the 90s last week, but it was only one day. I love the weather this time of the year. Everything just feels, you know, fresh and clean, and I don't have to worry about allergies or anything like that like I do in the spring. And paint a little more water in here. We're just about ready here. Alright, that looks good to me. I'm still shaving the dome daily. I've had very little irritation. The skin on my scalp isn't as sensitive as the skin on my face. Alright, here we go, first pass. Alright, I got this razor about maybe about 6 or 7 months ago, and this edge is still holding up pretty nice. I'm not sure how many shaves I've had on it. If I had to guess, I'd say about 50. And it still feels pretty good. It's not tugging or anything like that. Alright, I'm going to try something different with the mustache here tonight. Instead of going down this way, I'm going to go across the grain. Last couple of times I've tried to go down this way, I keep cutting myself under my nose. Alright, let's rinse off and see how I did. Not bad. Still got to do a couple of pickups around the mustache area. Didn't clean me up like I thought it was going to. So I guess I'll just have to improve my technique around the mustache with that down pass. Or with the grain pass. Because I didn't get it that clean. I thought I would get it pretty smooth so that I wouldn't have to go over it. Just get a little water in here. I don't think that this scent would be for everybody. If you don't like the scent of cedar wood, which is definitely the strongest scent in the soap, the most domineering note that I pick up, then it probably wouldn't be for you. But I like the smell of cedar wood. What are some of your favorite fall scents? What do you guys enjoy to use for the fall? Alright, here we go. It's against the grain. It can be tricky to get that stuff under your nose. Sometimes if I don't get the right angle on it, it'll grab as opposed to cut. When you get under your nose like that, what I see is that angle is everything. Alright, let me rinse up here, see how I did. There's that one spot right there on the under the mustache. Alright, here we go. Let's see if I can get it all. Just gonna stop there. I'll be happy with that. Not a bad shave. Sometimes you need to just quit while you're ahead. And I'm going to finish off the shave with the matching Aftershave splash here. Shake it up real quick. And a good healthy dose. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to conclude the shave. Hope you guys all have a great week. See you again soon for another shave.